So hello everyone and good morning all of you. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to learn this language within 30 days. Okay, within 1 month you can learn this language. You can learn English within 1 month, but guys, I have a condition. Whatever I will tell you, you have to do work same way. Okay, if you want to learn this language. And guys, today in this video I will share with you, I would like to talk with you. In this video I will share with you within 1 month what you have to do and what not you have to do. Okay, in this video I will share with you. And guys, in a 1 month, you know properly, you have 4 weeks. In 4 weeks, what you have to do to learn this language, I want to share with you. So guys, please watch this video till the end. And if you new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget press the bell icon. Okay, so what you have to do in 1 week, what is your plan in 1 week for learn this language? First, I would like to share with you. So guys, if you new on my YouTube channel, please, my request, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget press the bell icon. Okay, so without saying any, let's begin. And guys, remember one thing: if you want to learn this language within 30 days, remember one thing guys, you have to putting your 100% effort. Okay, if you think like my medium was Hindi during my school days and my medium was English during my school days, what was your medium doesn't matter. Okay, during your school days, if your medium was your medium was Hindi doesn't matter, your medium was English doesn't matter. I have a condition. Whatever I will tell you guys, same way you have to do work, and same kind of way you have to learn this language. Okay, and guys, definitely within 1 month, within 30 days, you will learn this language. Okay, so what you have to do is start without any delay. Start this video. What is your 1 month plan? In 1 month, what you have to do is start. So first guys, vocabulary. Okay, you have to give 30 minutes to learn vocabulary. This is your first week plan. First thing is vocabulary. And guys, 20 new basic English word, 20 new English word you have to learn. Whatever you see, what is 20 new word and how to learn new words. That's whatever you see, like you stand your kitchen, या फिर you otherwise guys you sitting your study room, and whatever you see, like you see your study table and you have to learn this is table. Otherwise, first vocabulary, like English basic word, this is table, table, and chair, book, pen, and whatever you see, fan, this is whiteboard, this is mic, phone, stand, bottle, and books, notebook, whatever you see. But remember one thing, every day, this is your first week plan, every day 20 word you have to learn. Okay, and guys, the second things is grammar. 30 minutes you have to give your time to learn this language. In grammar, it is learned in grammar. First week guys, noun and pronoun and article. Okay, I hope guys you know properly what is article, a and the. Okay, so in first week you have to learn what you have to learn in grammar. In grammar, noun, pronoun, and article. Clear? And guys, the third things is reading and speaking. Okay, what you read, simple books, you take simple books and start reading. Okay, simple books you read and short paragraphs you read. But guys, remember one thing, whatever whenever you read book, you have to read clearly and loudly, and focus on your pronunciation. Okay, this is the most important. So remember one thing, whenever you read book, whenever you read any paragraphs, any article, any story, whatever you read, remember one thing, loudly and clearly. This is first week your plan, and I hope you understand what you have to do in first week. And guys, the four things is writing. Okay, Writing, you have to write, guys, 5 sentences on yourself, like this is me and my name is Sugam. Like, my name is Sugam. I will speak, my name is Sugam. Your name is Rohan, your name is Mohan. You will say, my name is Rohan and I am 22 years old. Now I am learning English. This kind of way you have to write. Okay guys, you have to write this kind of way. I hope you can understand. So guys, this is your first week plan. I hope you can understand easily. You able to understand what I'm saying you, what I telling, what guys, I have taught you what you have to do in first week. Now I will tell you second week what you have to do and what you have to learn the second week. Okay, the second week, first guys, grammar, you have to take grammar. And guys, to learn grammar you have to take time, 45 minutes. You have to take your time to learn grammar. What you learn to grammar, what you learn in grammar, guys, the second week in grammar you have to learn tenses. Okay, simple present tense, simple past tense, and guys, simple future tense. You can see present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, and future indefinite tense, the second week work. Okay, this is your second week work and you have to do. First, grammar, what you have to do in grammar, what you have to learn in grammar. You can see present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, and future indefinite tense. This kind of way you have to learn grammar. Like, first you have to take tense. Example, I eat, present indefinite tense, I eat. In past, I ate, and I will eat in future. The next example is, I play cricket, and I played cricket, and I will play cricket. Okay, I danced, and past, I danced, and future, I will dance. So this kind of way you have to learn grammar. Okay, so present, what is present indefinite tense you learn, what is past indefinite tense you learn, and what is future indefinite tense. Guys, if you don't know what is present indefinite tense, what is past indefinite tense, and what is future indefinite tense, description box give a link, guys. Please check description box. And in description box, I have give you link. Please guys, click and watch that video, what is present indefinite tense. uh, I have taught you what is present indefinite tense, what is past indefinite tense, and what is future indefinite tense. Okay, so this is your second week plan. And guys, three tense you have to learn in grammar. And the second things is, guys, translation. Okay, when you will learn three tense, you can translate everything. Like, whatever you see, like, when you see food, and you start making sentences like, this is food, and I have to eat food. This kind of way you have to make sentences. Okay, whatever you see. First, guys, in second week's grammar, and the second, translate. Okay, try to translate everything in English. Okay, the third things is, guys, vocabulary. What you have to learn in vocabulary, guys, in second weeks, guys, basic 20 action words you have to learn. Okay, like, speak, run, eat, sleep, and say. So this kind of way, action word, 20 action word you have to learn. This is your second week plan. Grammar, what you have to learn in grammar: present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, and future indefinite tense. Okay, the second thing is, translate everything. You have to translate whatever you see, you can translate in English. If you will learn three things: present, past, and future. Simple present, simple past, and simple future. Okay, and guys, the third thing is vocabulary. uh, uh, Second week, in second week, what you have to learn in vocabulary 20 action word. Okay, basic 20 action word you have to learn every day. This is your second week plan. What is your third week plan? So in this video I will share you what is your third week plan. Guys, your third week plan, first question answer. Okay, you take 20 question answer and ask yourself and reply yourself. Okay, what is your name? Talk to yourself, ask yourself what is your name. After that you have to speak, my name is Sugam. How old are you? I am 22 years old. What was your day? So this kind of way you have to speak. Okay, in 3 week what you have to do, first in 3 week first thing is 20 question answer every day. Talk to yourself, ask yourself, and you give answer yourself. Okay, and guys the second things is in 3 week plan. This is your 3 week plan. The second things is English conversation videos, English podcast. You have to watch videos in YouTube. Okay, so guys, English conversation friends between two sister English conversation, mom and daughter English conversation video, teacher and students English conversation videos you have to watch. This is second things. Okay, and guys the fourth things is practice, reading practice. Okay, whatever you have taught, whatever you have learned, you have to practice. Now you have to need practice and you have to practice. Okay, the fourth thing is, this is your third big plan, remember. Okay, the fourth things is guys writing. What you write your in your 3 weeks, you have to write whatever coming your mind. You have to write, like you sitting your study room and whatever coming your mind. Now you are thinking about your best friend, start writing. She is my best friend, she is very innocent girl, and she is my best friend because she is always keep helping me. Okay, and always keep supporting me. So this kind of way you have to write. Okay, and guys in your 4 week, what you have to do in 4 week. So now guys I will tell you what you have to do in 4 week. In 4 week, first revision. Yes, 1 hour time you have to take for revision to learn this language. Whatever you taught and whatever you learned, now you need to revision. Okay, so guys you need to revision. So one every day 1 hour you take time your revision for revision. And guys the second thing is you have to watch movie in English. Whatever you watch, you have to watch in English. Okay, if you want to watch any cartoon, any movie, any serial, so guys you have to watch in English. If you want to learn this language within 1 month, within 30 days, you have to everything you watch in English. News, any movie, any cartoon, whatever you watch. Okay, and guys the third things is self test. Okay, ask yourself, can you introduce yourself? Ask yourself, can you introduce yourself, and can you speak in English 1 hour? Can you speak in English? What is your future plan? Can you speak in English what you have to do and what you want to become? Can you speak in English? So this kind of way, talk to yourself, ask yourself. This kind of way you take your test yourself. Okay, so guys in this video I have taught you in 1 month what you have to do to learn this language, and definitely surely guys you will learn this language within 1 month. Whatever I have taught you, same way you have to do work. Okay. So guys I will meet next video. Thank you, thanks for watching this video.